Welcome back. You can invest in real estate even at your age 50 or 60 or even mid 60s and start investing because yes, you can. I've done it many times over and I have helped a number of investors over the past several decades in doing this. So let's dive deeper into this. So, yes, you can. So the myth out there, especially on the social media, that real estate investing is only for people in their 20s or 30s. You see young influencers out there in the social media boasting about, I own 30 doors or 45 units or whatever. But it does not mean that older investors are left behind. So whether you're age 45, 55, or even age 65, you can absolutely get started and build a portfolio. So the truth is there are many ways to invest in real estate, right? We have 100% passive strategies like real estate investment trust or syndications or the other ways you can invest is using the BRRRR strategy. You buy, you renovate, you refinance, and you repeat. You can do fix and flip. You can do short-term rentals, mid-term rentals, but they require you to create another job for yourself. So not ideal for people who are in their late stages of life. All right. So, what I recommend, which I've been doing, this is my business model, is the turnkey passive ownership. So my strategy is, as you know, some of you know what I'm talking about. If you're new to my channel, of course, you need to digest my strategies more deeper. So, by investing single family homes, 1 to 4 units, right? And have it fully managed by a professional property manager is what I call a turnkey approach. And it works for me for many, many years. We have markets in Texas, Florida, Alabama, Oklahoma. Even though I live in a high cost Bay Area, I invest my portfolio across all those markets. So at the end of the day, you know, our team can help you. The property managers, the rehab crews, the leasing agents, our team on the ground in each of those locations can help you so you can delegate and out resource everything to those people. Okay. So again, if you're 5 to 10 years away from retirement, some of you thinking you're behind the eight ball, whatever, is never too late. Okay, but at the same time, you don't need to reinvest, the wheel, reinvent the wheel, or create another job to do this because look, you are in your late stages of your life. You can't get bogged down. Maybe even your skill set is such that you don't know how to, hammer. You can fix toilet or change the doorknob. I certainly can't. I'm not hands-on whatsoever. Okay, so I don't, I rather use the turnkey approach. So therefore, if you have good credit, if you're still working full time, if you have the capital available, 20 to 30% down payment on each rental property, we have properties in a mid 200K to low 200K, new construction, turnkey, right, in across excellent growth markets. As I mentioned, you can cash flow with the 20 to 25 to 30% down payment. So invest for the long term, and eventually, in 5, 10, 15 years, your portfolio gonna build up. It'll give you a more money for your retirement. Furthermore, or something that I have done quite a bit as well over the years, if you have IRAs, I can help you use your self-directed IRAs and previous employers' 401k, and so you could roll those money over so you can use your IRA to buy physical assets inside your retirement account so your money can grow tax defer. And when you're over the age 59 and a half, you can start withdrawing the cash flow for retirement. So again, so more than ever, like a lot of people are living into their 80s and 90s. So your retirement horizon, even beyond age 65, will be very, very long term if you live a healthy life. Personally, myself, I've been I try to be healthy because I intend to live to age 100. Because for the past 40 years, I maintain my health. I run in the morning every day for a few miles for the past 40 years. Really, if you think about it, and I go to the gym 3 or 4 times a week to work out, and I do my best to eat good. I use good nutrition because I intend to live a very long life, and I want my money to last for me. So therefore, I need my real estate passive income, my cash flow, to sustain my quality life while I'm still healthy. Age 60, 70, and even 80s. I fully intend to use my real estate passive income to continue with my life right now as we speak, because I do full-time travel. I do a lot of cruises, my wife and I. So we need a lot of money to do that. So we can continue need to elevate my portfolio to mean financially to fulfill my high quality lifestyle. And the property you're buying, you don't have to buy, you don't have to buy 40, 50 doors. All you need is like 2 or 3 or 4 high quality rentals, right? New construction in a fast growing growth markets, you can achieve very good cash flow, very good appreciation potential. So in a 5 to 10 years from now, or 15, depending on your actual retirement age, you do the calculation, you run the numbers, to determine what is your financial goals, what's your retirement goals, how much money do you need on a monthly basis to maintain your retirement lifestyle, because you can't rely on social security, you cannot rely on your pension, you cannot rely on traditional investing to fulfill your retirement goals, because your retirement lifespan, like I said, couldn't expand for very very long time. So you need money to last you. Okay, a lot of people run out of life before they run out of money. Okay, so anyway, so again, real estate investing can offer you steady cash flow, increasing cash flow, rental rate increases, amazing amount of tax benefit, which I'm not going to talk about. I don't have enough time. My other YouTube videos will talk about that. Appreciation over time, equity paid down by tenants, protection against inflation. So at the end of the day, you're never too old, right? If you have good health, if you're good, you have a good mental mindset, you can start investing in real estate for the first time, even age 50 to age 60, because I've done it personally for myself in that age group, believe it or not. That's all you need to know for right now. But a lot of my investors I've helped over the years are, in their or Gen X and baby boomers, right? So anybody can do it. You can do it. It's all about your motivation. You have to want it really, really bad. Yeah, I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you along, mentor you. So we have the system, the process, procedures, and the guidance to help you long term. And my team on the ground, they will do all your so-called dirty work, so you could focus on what's important to you in your life as uh, you are reaching your retirement years. Could be age 50, age 60, or whatever. It doesn't have to be age 65 or above. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for listening. Anyway, there's no such thing as too late. Okay, you can invest in any age. It's all about your motivation, why you want it, and just have a better financial life, and it'll transcend into the other aspects of your life. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.